TS NSET exam date 2021 latest updates. Hello friends, I'm Vamsi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell about the most and very much important topic regarding date, that is MSET exam date of TS Telangana for 2021. The recent updates, the latest updates of 2021 regarding MSET exam. Friends, I suggest, I request, is the most important to each and every student to watch the video completely. This is going to be a very important to each and every student. I suggest each and every student to watch the video first completely so that you can get a perfect idea regarding MSET exam date 2021 regarding TS Telangana. Friends, if you want to know the details, once again I want to say is for all the students, if you want to know the details regarding MSET exam date of 2021, in the description below of this video, you can easily find the MSET exam date 2021 information, details, how to download, how to know the information, what are the details of MSET exam, of TS MSET exam 2021 updates. Very important, my dear friends. It is very important to say that for intermediate students of Telangana TS, the first and second year students, MSET exam is the most important examination to get a very good rank, to qualify in MSET examination, to get a rank, so that the students can go to the engineering or medicine. So MSET examination is one of the most important examination to each and every student, my dear friends. Friends, the most important thing is to get a exam date details. Exam date, all the students who completes this year for 2021. Actually, if we see that the timetable of intermediate first, the board of intermediate has already been released this timetable of intermediate first and second year exams for May 2021. As we know already, the thing is, after the completion of intermediate exams of first year and second year regarding Telangana TS, the news of updated news regarding MSET exam date 2021 of TS, that the information we got that the exam dates, the exam starts after 14th June. After 14th June only, we can know that, we can find the information when the exam dates will be available. So it is very important. So each and every student, first of all, I suggest the most important thing is to get a good rank, to get a merit rank in MSET exam. I suggest, I request all the students to prepare well for the exams. This is because MSET exam is a competitive examination. It is a competitive examination. It's a very important examination to all the candidates, students. Friends, first, before knowing the exam date, before knowing the MSET exam date 2021 of Telangana TS, first I suggest every student to concentrate on the subject. concentrating on the subject is very, very important, my dear friends. Because students at present, for the year 2021, at present, students are preparing for intermediate first and second year for the board exams, as well as they are also preparing for MCET. First, concentrate on the MCET topics. What are the topics have been covered till today? What are the topics have been going on? First, students, I advise all the students to concentrate on the MCET preparation, because MCET preparation is very, very important. So first, MCET preparation, if the students are being well prepared in the MCET preparation, they can easily get a very good marks in the MCET exam. Because as we know that according to the news, the MCET exam will be released after June 14th, as we know that. Before June 14th, any time the MCET date may be expected. MCET date may be expected from the board. The first students try to learn perfectly all the chapters, all the topics, and practice well. Practice well in the MCET exam. It is very, very important. If you practice well in the for the MCET exam, what are the topics have been covered, what are the topics that the students are preparing, the practice well, so that you can get a very good rank in MCET. Friends, I suggest is, the thing is, all the students I advise, concentrate on the chapters, whatever you are preparing, concentrate on the topics, concentrate on maths, physics, chemistry, subjects and objective types, and you can clarify all the doubts from your lecturers. And first, the thing is, anytime the exam date regarding 2021 of MCET may be expected after June 14th, as we know already. The most important point is preparing well is very, very important. Preparation of MCET is very, very important. Rank, just not by qualifying in MCET, the student should have a goal to get a very good rank, to get a merit rank in MCET. If the students gets a merit rank in MCET, it's very easy to get a seat in engineering or a medicine. It's very easy. Finally, I like to say is, just concentrate on MCET papers, the previous model papers of each and every subject regarding maths, physics, chemistry. You can have an idea what kind of preparation can be made perfectly. So finally, I like to say is, if you want to know the details of regarding MCET, total details, whatever the details you want to know, whatever the the updates, whatever the updates, if you want to know, just in the description below. In the description below, you can find the information. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, so that you will get my updated next videos. Now here, the most important thing is, finally, TS MCET exam date 2021. Latest updates. Friends, MCET exam date 2021 regarding Telangana TS. If you want to know the details of this information regarding MCET exam date, MCET exam date 2021 TS, in the description below of this video. In the description below of this video, you can find the information regarding MCET exam date 2021 TS. Thank you so much.